In this video, we're going to look at how we can use Instant Alpha to remove the background of images in apps like Keynote, Pages and Numbers. If I go into Keynote just now, you can see that I have a blank white slide. I'm going to change the background and I'm going to make it just one of the preset blue gradients. I'm wanting to create a scene that has various elements to it. So let's select the blue background. And I'm maybe going to add in a shape, so let's just go to a circle. Let's resize it. I'm going to try and make a hillside here, just a hillside effect. Don't be afraid to use the space outside of the slide as well. I'm going to change the colour of this, so if I tap on my paintbrush, style, fill, and swipe to find the green, that gives me quite a nice effect. Now I could add shapes here, but I'd quite like to add in some images. So let's go to an app or a website like Pixabay, which has a number of free to use images. You can see I've searched for a tree here, various ones that I can use, all with more complex backgrounds, but I sometimes like to look for a background that's more of a solid colour. It makes that overall editing a little bit easier. So if we scroll down here, we might be able to find one. There we go, that one with the grey background is perfect. I'm going to press and hold, and I'm going to copy the image. I'm going to tap on my slide to paste the image in. So tap on the slide and tap paste, and you can see it's still got that grey background. So to remove that, I'm just going to use Instant Alpha. So with the object selected, I tap on my paintbrush, and then I use the middle tab called Image. I then have Instant Alpha. When I tap on Instant Alpha, it gives me the instruction of what to do. Place your finger and drag across the colour you wish to delete. The more you drag, the higher your percentage goes and the more of the image you take away. The more you take away, you can see it highlights with that kind of turquoise colour there. I'm going to leave this round about there, that looks quite good. And you can see when I tap done, my image has the background removed and I still have this nice effect. I still have the image that I can place. Let's add in some more. So if I go back to Pixabay, and at the top here, I'm going to look for a sun just to set our image off. Just going to tap search, and you can see that one with the blue there is perfect. So same again, tap on the image, press and hold, get my menu, tap copy, go back to my slide, tap, paste. Let's do the same again. Let's tap on the paintbrush, Instant Alpha, drag across the blue. Now because the pictures here, or the colours here, are a little bit more solid, it's actually going to take more of a drag in order to delete everything. So you can actually go quite high with the percentage on an image like this, but I'm going to leave it just at around the 35%. The thing to remember is the higher the percentage, the more you delete. You're then able just to resize, reposition, and make a nice little scene using an app like Keynote. This also works in Pages and it works in Numbers. A great tool to allow students to personalise and create without having to be overly complex. Give it a go and see some of the things that both you and your students can create.